The wildfire threat is just simply intensifying in Southern California right now.
That's right. The strongest Santa Ana winds the LA area has seen in years, sparking new fires, including one that is threatening the Ronald Reagan Presidential Library. Gusts up to 45 miles an hour, spinning up fire tornadoes in Simi Valley and forcing new evacuations. Meanwhile, 400 miles to the north, the fight against the Kincade fire, now a week old. More than 4,000 firefighters battling against the state's largest fire. All right, we're going to check in with Janice Huff now and get a look from her vantage point. Janice.
Well, Stacey, this type of weather pattern does set up in California during this time of the year, but this is a more extreme case of downsloping winds. First, the winds go up the eastern side of the mountains, and then they're forced down on the western side. And as those winds are forced through the canyons, the winds speed up, the air dries out, the air heats up, and that's extreme fire danger. And with these winds, which they've typically not seen hurricane force winds, it's even more extreme. If a fire starts with these conditions, then you're going to see intense fires and even more widespread fires as the winds kick them up and push them along. That's what they've been seeing across much of California, northern and southern California, as a result of these extremely dry conditions. This area has not seen rain, appreciable rain, for probably 6 to 8 months. Most of their rain comes in the winter. Well, now the extreme danger continues. Extreme for red flag warnings right now continues over northern California and southern California, even up along the Colorado River in southern Nevada near Las Vegas, and no rain in sight. It's extremely dry, as most areas haven't, like I said, seen rain for several months and probably won't see any appreciable rain for another couple of months. This pressure pattern, the system that's causing all of these winds, has to relax. When that does, then they will not have as high a danger. Hopefully that will happen very, very soon.
Thank you for watching this video from NBC4 New York. You can subscribe by tapping the button below me, and on the left you can see our latest updates, investigations, and digital exclusives. We'll see you next time.